Go!
Good day, everyone. Our role play is set in a boutique hotel and present a service interaction between hotel staff and international guests. In this scenario, a friend guest and her husband arrive at the hotel as VIP guests. After a long and exhausting trip, their booking had already been arranged before arrival, so only brief verification of their identity and reservation detail was done at the front desk. Because they were extremely tired, they wanted to go straight to their room and rest immediately.
Hello, good evening.
Hi ma'am, good evening. Welcome to our hotel. How may I help you?
Bonjour. Estrada here.
You have a reservation, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. May I have your ID?
Here.
Alright, ma'am. Your reservation has been verified, and here is your room ID. Key card for room 305. And would you like a baggage assistance, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. Mr. Gab will assist with your room.
Good evening, sir. Ma'am. I will bring your luggage. Yes, please. Thank you. Please wait, please.
Once inside the room, the couple encountered several difficulties with the room, facilities, and control. Since they were unfamiliar with the setup and already tired from the travel, this concern became confusing and stressful.
Would you like me to explain the room controls and facilities? No. Just the luggage is fine.
This
Yes,
one
sir.
to have rest. Mercy.
Thank you.
Finally. So stressful.
Me too.
Oh,
It's too cold.
the aircon is so cold. But where's the...
Yeah, remote. Make it less cold.
I try. It's English. I cannot make it less cold. Can you please?
Let me try.
So cold.
Oh, not working. I don't know how to use this. It's too cold. I just want to take a hot shower first.
Okay.
Oh, this is cold. Hot or cold? Oh wait, how to switch this?
What's that?
The shower. I cannot switch hot or cold.
Maybe we just lie out and watch a television.
Oh, that's good. Turn the television on.
Yeah. Something's working. But
The language is fully English.
yeah,
I cannot understand.
see the menu, the settings, and the option. Everything is in English. Cannot understand.
You just call the front desk for their problem.
No, let's just ask them directly. No more
Okay,
stress.
that's fine.
Excuse me,
Hi ma'am, how can I help you?
we need help in a room.
Certainly ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
You know, the air condition, it's so cold, like it's frozen. And then next is
The
the,
shower, we cannot switch hot or cold. We want hot.
and the television, it's full English. We cannot understand English so much. I'm sorry, do you understand us? Our English is not good.
It's okay ma'am, I fully understand. Let me repeat it to you slowly. You want the aircon to less cold, and
Yes.
you want the television to in fresh settings,
Yes,
and the shower is you want to adjust it on hot? Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Alright, ma'am. I will have our bellman to assist you to your problem right away.
Okay, merci.
Yes, I will assist them right away.
Because the French had limited English, they found it difficult at first to fully understand and comprehend the room controls and the issue they were experiencing. Later, this also made it difficult for them to explain their concern clearly to hotel staff, which led to frustration and misunderstanding. This role play highlights the importance of patience, professionalism, and clear communication in the hospitality industry.
Good evening, sir. I will help you with the room controls. The air conditioner is already on AI comfort mode, so it cools the room automatically. So if you want the room less cold, you can press this manual temp button.
Okay, now we understand.
This is the shower.
The shower.
For the shower. For the shower, this shower uses a dual action control. If you want hot water, you can press this button, then twist the handle to the right. Then for the cold water, press the button again, then twist the handle to the left.
Okay, now we understand. Merci.
For the television,
For the television.
for the television, the TV is already working, but the language is full in English.
Yes.
How can we switch the
Channel.
French? For the bottom,
For the channel, please. We do not know how to switch that channel.
for the channel, first press this button to select what language. If you want me to change the language in French, I can.
You can change the language in French.
Yes.
Okay. Can you please do it for us?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. The language is set in
French.
French language. Yes.
That will be a lot better for us.
Oh, ma'am, I also brought printed guest information sheet translated into French for your convenience.
Wow. Merci.
That's good. Thank you.
In this scenario, the cultural issue observed was the language barrier and communication difficulty between the French guests and the hotel staff. Since the guests were new in the place and familiar with the room facilities and faced English-only instruction on the television, the situation became more confusing and stressful for them. Because the French guest had limited English, she could not explain the concern properly to the staff, which resulted in some misunderstanding and frustration. However, the staff professionalism was big help in handling situation effectively. Yes, the response was culturally appropriate because the staff showed patience, professionalism, and respect instead of becoming impatient or ignoring the guest's difficult. The staff adjusted their communication style and provided clear, helpful assistance that matches the guest's needs. They explained the room facilities step by step, changed the television language settings to make them easier to understand, and provided and printed guest information sheet translated into French. The staff is also assisted the guests personally in the room, which made the service more supportive, practical, and considerate. An alternative solution that could improve the interaction would be for the hotel anticipate the needs of international guests before any problem happens. Since the couple were VIP guests with a pre-arranged arrival, the hotel could have prepared multilingual welcome kit in advance, including a French room guide, a translate hotel map, and simple step-by-step instruction for the air conditioner, shower, and television. The staff could also have given a short but clear room orientation during arrival. Even the guests were tired or informed them translated assistance was available anytime. In this way, confusion could have been prevented early and the guests would have felt more comfortable, supported, and understood the beginning. The lesson tourism professional can learn from this case is that even simple room concern can quickly become stressful when communication is difficult. This shows that hospitality service is not only about solving problems, but also about anticipating guest needs, especially when serving international visitors. Tourism and professional must be patient, observant, flexible, and culturally sensitive. Most importantly, they should ensure that every guest feel understood, respected, and genuinely cared for throughout their stay.
Let's go. Where's the keycard? Check it out. We are very sorry for the inconvenience. It should explain to us right away. I'm so sorry for that.
It's alright, ma'am. We would love to assist you and make your stay more comfortable. Thank you for staying with us, ma'am.
Nice seat.
Okay na?